Good morning. Today our lesson is how to draw a face with correct proportion. So let me show you the materials that we are going to use. So first is, it's very important for us to have a ruler, a paper, an A4 paper, a mechanical pencil, eraser, and I have a small eraser for erasing details, and the reference photo. Okay, so let's start drawing with a line. So this is our line, straight line, and then we are going to draw guidelines for the eyebrows. So this is our eyebrows, and then this is for the nose. So let me measure. So this is around 4 centimeters. So we are also going to draw 4 centimeters below the second line. So this will be chin. So again, this is the eyebrows, the tip of the nose, and then the chin. And then let us draw the other eye. So make sure that you have the space in between the eyes. So the space in between the eyes is the size of one eye. So if this is 1 inch, then I need to have 1 inch there. And it needs to be the same size. So the eye should be 1 inch also. So the lip should be at 1/3 from the eye. Okay, so now let us draw the hairline. So this is 4 centimeters. So from the eyebrow should be 4 centimeters also. So let us draw this line. the eyebrows, and then should end until the end or the tip of the nose. So I am using now a 16 pencil to darken some of the areas. And let's clean our face. So this is one of the ways on how to draw a face with correct proportion, but it doesn't mean that it's the only way on how to do it. You can check the internet, you can go to YouTube, and you will be able to see a lot of ways on how to draw a face with proportion. So you may follow this, or you may also watch other videos from the internet. So this is our finished artwork, and this is due on April 1st. Thank you.